Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel bj.aesthete. This video is about our bird friends in flight at the Animal Kingdom in Florida. This video is about the bird show that was held in the Animal Kingdom of the Disney World.
Groucho today, Taylor. And Groucho, check out all these cool new adventures we have to meet today. Now, first things first, whenever you meet new people, we should probably have a bit of a greeting. How about a nice big hello?
Hello! Hello, Groucho.
So Groucho's pretty impressive. He learned how to mimic by listening to the family he used to live with. But along the way, he became one of the best at mimicry I've ever heard. So I'm just going to turn the microphone over to Groucho today. We'll see if he wants to show off for all of us. What do you say? What do you see up there? Those are called clouds. They're there every day. Nothing?
He's buffering.
Very nice, Groucho.
Does he take requests?
Not very well. Let's put it that way. It's always up to him. And let me tell you what, he is pretty impressive with that one song. But even more impressive is he knows the words to 7 different songs from beginning to end. So what do you say? Do you want to see if he'll try another song for us today? Yeah, okay. But first, Groucho, these guys were awesome. They've been very patient. They waited on you to buffer your song out. How about this? Let's do something special. Let's give them a great big kiss. Yeah, that's some good stuff, that kiss. You were absolutely right. Okay, so you sang Doggy in the Window. You know 6 other songs. I'll just hold the microphone back up. You choose any of the other 6, okay? And that is Groucho.
Everyone say bye to Groucho.
Bye, Groucho.
You really are one in a million.
Hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.